Hello and welcome to GS Question Bank. This is part 12 of Ancient Indian History. Topic 12 name is Magad Empire. Question 1. Which physician was sent by Bimbisar to treat Avanti king Pradyot? A. Jivak, B. Udayin, C. Kalashok, D. Both A and B. Answer is A. Jivak. Question 2. What was the other name of Bimbisar? A. Shrenik, B. Akarat, C. Sarvakshrantak, D. Shalimal. Answer is A. Shrenik. Question 3. Who was the last ruler of Shishunag dynasty? A. Kalashok, B. Nandivardhan, C. Nagdashak, D. Udayin. Answer is B. Nandivardhan. Question 4. Which among the following rulers is often described as the first empire builder of Indian history? A. Dhananand, B. Mahapadmanand, C. Bimbisar, D. Chandragupta Maurya. Answer is B. Mahapadmanand. He reigned from 345 BC to 329 BC. Question 5. Who was the founder of Nanda dynasty? A. Mahapadmanand, B. Shishunag, C. Dhananand, D. Nandivardhan. Answer is A. Mahapadmanand. Question 6. Who among the following kings was a contemporary of both Mahavir and Buddha? A. Ajatashatru, B. Nandivardhan, C. Bimbisar, D. Ashok. Answer is C. Bimbisar. Question 7. Which among the following is correct about Bhadrashala? A. He was a poet in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. B. He was the general of the Nanda army. C. He was an ambassador of Ceylon king sent to Ashoka's court. D. He was a playwright in the Gupta era. Answer is B. He was the general of the Nanda army. Question 8. Which of the following was a part of the three-pronged policy of Bimbisar to expand his empire? 1. Matrimonial alliances. 2. Friendship with strong rulers. 3. Conquest of weak neighbors. A. Only 1. B. Only 1 and 2. C. Only 3. D. All 1, 2 and 3. Answer is D. All 1, 2 and 3. Question 9. What was the capital that was almost impregnable as it was surrounded by 5 hills? A. Ujjain, B. Patliputra, C. Rajgriha, D. Takshila. Answer is C. Rajgriha. Question 10. Bimbisar sent his royal physician Jivak to Ujjain when which one of the following kings had jaundice? A. Brahmadat, B. Pradyot, C. Prasenjit, D. Ajatashatru. Answer is B. Pradyot. Question 11. Which of the following gave birth to Ajatashatru? A. Mahakoshal, B. Chalana, C. Madra, D. None of the above. Answer is B. Chalana. Question 12. Which of the following was most powerful and aggressive ruler of Haryang dynasty? A. Bimbisar, B. Ajatashatru, D. Udayabhadra, D. None of the above. Answer is B. Ajatashatru. Question 13. Who was the chief of Vaishali with whom Ajatashatru fought? A. Chetak, B. Prasenjit, C. Palka, D. None of the above. Answer is A. Chetak. He was the maternal grandfather of Ajatashatru. Question 14. Which of the following were the innovative military weapons used by Ajatashatru? A. 1. Mahashila Kantak, 2. Rath Musal. A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 and 2. Answer is C. Both 1 and 2. Question 15. Ajatashatru began fortification of Rajgriha 40 km wall to meet the danger of invasion posed by which of the following kingdoms? A. Avanti, B. Koshal, C. Vats, D. None of the above. Answer is A. Avanti. Question 16. Buddha died during the reign of which of the following kings? A. Bimbisar, B. Ajatashatru, C. Udayin, D. Shishunag. Answer is B. Ajatashatru. Question 17. Which of the following founded the new Magad capital at Patliputra? A. Bimbisar, B. Ajatashatru, C. Udayin, D. Shishunag. Answer is C. Udayin. Udayin was also known as Udayabhadra. Question 18. Which of the following temporarily shifted his capital of Magad to Vaishali? A. Udayin, B. Shishunag, C. Kalashok, D. Mahapadmanand. Answer is B. Shishunag. Question 19. Which of the following was also known as Kakvarn? A. Kalashok, B. Shishunag, C. Udayin, D. Ajatashatru. Answer is A. Kala Shok. Question 20. Which of the following was the first non-Kshatriya dynasty? A. Haryang dynasty, B. Shishunag dynasty, C. Nanda dynasty, D. Maurya dynasty. Answer is C. Nanda dynasty. Question 21. Which of the following were considered adharmics? A. Mauryans, B. Nandas, C. Shishunag, D. None of the above. Answer is B. Nandas. Question 22. Which of the following was known as Ekarat? A. Mahapadmanand, B. Dhananand, C. Kautilya, D. None of the above. Answer is A. Mahapadmanand. Question 23. Which of the following brought an image of Jinnah as victory trophy? A. Shishunag, B. Kalashok, C. Mahapadmanand, D. Dhananand. Answer is C. Mahapadmanand. Question 24. Which of the following built canals and did a lot of irrigation? A. Kalashok, B. Mahapadmanand, C. Dhananand, D. Chandragupta Maurya. Answer is B. Mahapadmanand. Question 25. Which of the following is credited with the invention of Nandopakramani? A. Shishunag, B. Kalashok, C. Mahapadmanand, D. Dhananand. Answer is D. Dhananand. Nandopakramani was a standard of measurement. Question 26. Chandragupta Maurya, under the able guidance of Kautilya, uprooted which of the following kings? A. Shishunag, B. Kalashok, C. Dhananand, D. Mahapadmanand. Answer is C. Dhananand. Question 27. Which of the following are the factors which helped Magad to establish its dominance over all other Mahajanpads? 1. Magad enjoyed an advantageous geographical position. 2. Proximity to richest iron deposits. 3. Rajgriha and Patliputra both were situated at strategic points. Option A only 1. Option B only 1 and 3. Option C only 2 and 3. Option D all 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option D all 1, 2 and 3. Question 28. Which of the following was the first state to use elephants on a large scale against its neighbors? A. Maurya, B. Magad, C. Satvahans, D. Kanvas. Answer is C. Satvahans. Question 29. Bimbisara ruled for how many years? A. 40 years, B. 42 years, C. 50 years, D. 52 years. Answer is D. 52 years. He ruled from 544 BC to 492 BC. Question 30. What was the other name of Mahapadmanand? A. Akarat, B. Sarvakshitrantak, C. Second Parshuram, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All the above. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.